Hello, my name is Sagar. Today is Lab 24 abstract class. In previous lab, we have seen normal classes, interface. So in this lab, we have seen abstract class. So how I declare abstract class? Abstract class is declared by abstract keyword. So right here, public abstract class ABC. This is my abstract class. So abstract class contain abstract method. Okay, what is mean that? Public abstract void print. Abstract methods are only the definition, mean no body present for that method or no implementation for that method. It also contains normal method, means public void and I happily go and write method implementation in this method. Okay, hello. This is an abstract method and this is a non-abstract method. Abstract class contain field means string name. Okay. It also contains properties means public string name get set. Okay. It also contains fields, properties, abstract methods, and this is non-abstract method, or we can say concrete method. So suppose I want to implement or inherit this ABC class in a program class. So I can write it as ABC. It gives an error. Why? Because we are not providing implementation of this abstract method. So I gonna write here public override file print. Okay, and here I write console dot write line print method. Okay, so if the method is abstract, you need to override this method in a derived class. If I remove this override keyword, what will happen? It gives an error. What it says, not providing implementation of that abstract method. So you need to write here override. We can't create object of abstract class. Please remember that we can't create object of abstract class. Why? Because it is a half defined class, because it contains abstract method, or we are not providing implementation of that abstract method in this class. So it is a half defined class and there is no point to create object of half defined class. That's why we can't create object of an abstract class. So if I want to call this method, how I call program is equal to new program and a dot. You can see here we able to access the properties in a abstract class, and this is a method. And if I run this program, what will be the output? Print method. Okay, so that's about abstract classes. There is question asking in an interview, is there constructor present in an abstract class? So if I write CTOR, we are able to write constructor in an abstract class. Okay. Also here we can write it as ABC. ABC is an abstract class, P is a reference, and we are assigning object of a program class. Here is a polymorphism, and you can call the print method. So if I run this program again, the output will be the same. Okay, so this is all about abstract class. It is abstract class may inherit from non-abstract class. So if I write here class xyz class xyz and I include that xyz here, then you get an error. Sorry, I have to write here public. So the error is gone. You can see in a coming up session what is the access modifier, but right now I make it as public. Abstract class may inherit from non-abstract class, but if I create this class as an abstract, okay, and I write here public abstract void say hello, then you can see there is no error, because if class abstract if abstract class inherit from abstract class, then the derived class need not implement that abstract method. So but here it gives error, because why? Class ABC inherit from XYZ, and in XYZ there is a say hello method, but I am never implementing that say hello method in our program class, so that's why it gives an error. So if I write public override void say hello, okay, and here I write console dot write line say hello method, and if you want call this method dot say hello. Then this is completed. So what is the use of abstract class? Suppose there is a situation, if you want to common out some properties and you don't want to create object of that class, so you can mark it as abstract, so the object is not created for that class. Also remember one thing, the abstract class you can't mark it as a sealed class, because if you seal, so here it not providing license for shield, because there is an, if I make the class shield, then it is not inheritable in a derived classes, and abstract class is only purpose of inheritance, so that's why if we can mark it as a sealed class. Abstract class may implement interface in that interface I want void interface method, and if I implement this here I want, so you need to implement that method here. Okay, it mark it as an abstract. So if you don't want to implement this method in that abstract class, you can mark it as abstract. So you need to implement that method in a derived class or child class. So the method coming here, and here I write interface method and test interface method. And if I run this program, so the output is int method, say hello method, and interface method. So that's all about abstract classes. Thank you for listening. If you want to learn different technologies, you can visit my site www.sagarjaybhay.com. And if you have any kind of query, please contact me or put a comment in my YouTube channel. So I will reply as early as possible. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.